How to combine videos on Instagram Reels. First, open the Instagram app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the plus icon to start your reel. At the bottom, you see a menu. Swipe right and click on the Reels tab. At the top of the screen, tap on the camera option. Now click on the shutter button and record the video. After recording the video, at the bottom left corner of the screen, click on the gallery icon and choose the existing video that you want to combine. And then, at the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the Next. If you want, you can trim the video by dragging the slider. After that, at the top of the screen, click on the Next. If you want, you can also add more videos to combine and repeat the same process. Here, after combining all your videos then, click on the Next. Now, you can see the preview of your combined videos. At the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the Next icon. And again, click on Next. In the pop-up menu, click on Share. And that's it.